Hello friends. Welcome to Easy Tricks YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how to plot central line coordinates in AutoCAD. Before we start this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more informative videos. Let's get started. Here, you can see my Excel sheet. In this sheet, I have central line coordinates with easting and northing values, which are the total station data. First, I'm going to combine the easting and northing coordinates using an Excel formula. Now, I'll drag this formula down to apply it to all the points. Now, I'm copy the all points. Next, I'll open AutoCAD and type the command PL and press enter. Then, I'll paste the points into AutoCAD. As you can see, the polyline is drawn successfully. Now, let's draw multiple points to display the coordinates in AutoCAD. In the AutoCAD Draw tab, click on Point, then select Multiple Points. After that, paste the values copied from the Excel sheet. All the points will now be plotted in AutoCAD. As you can see, the points are placed on the polyline. If you want to change the point style, type the command ddptyp and press enter. Now, choose your preferred point style and set the point size as needed. Now you can see that your point style has been changed. Now, I'm going to plot Chainages on the polyline. To do this, open your Excel sheet. In the first cell, enter text. In the next cell, select the combined coordinates cell. In the following cell, enter the text size value. Here, I'm taking 2. In the next cell, enter the angle. Here, I'm taking 90 degrees. And in the next cell, pick the Chainage value cell. Now, I'm going to copy all the cell data from Excel. Now, open AutoCAD and go to the command prompt. Paste the data that you copied from Excel. Now you can see that the Chainages have been successfully plotted on the polyline. In this video, we learned how to plot central line coordinates in AutoCAD, draw multiple points, and plot Chainages on a polyline. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon with another informative video.